passiert mir 35.000 Mal im Video. Immer knall ich mit meinem selben Knie gegen denselben Tisch. Trash. Hallo, moin, good morning. Welcome back to a makeup tutorial. With a twist. Oh, I left the lights on, hang on. We're gonna do a makeup tutorial today, everyone. I have all my makeup here. It feels like this channel, but like back in the days. It feels like we're doing a little time travel. And also, it's not just completely a makeup tutorial because, as I said, we're gonna have a little twist here and there and everywhere. So I recently saw this video of Dub2111, which is Michelle Fan, and she uploaded a video trying $500 realistic silicone face mask and prank. And I saw this video and I was like, I want to do that. She bought this weird, like really realistic silicone face mask. Well, I mean the title already. Why am I even explaining this? It made me really jealous because I did not have this kind of silicone face mask. I have tried out something similar. I mean, I had like a face mask. It was a Halloween video, but mostly actually Vincent wore it. And I mean, it looked kind of real, but it was still not like a expensive, high quality silicone face mask. Why can I not say mask? Mask. It was just like a Halloween prop. But I actually bought a really expensive silicone face mask now just to put it on in this video and give you guys a little makeup tutorial, which you've been requesting a couple of times. I know what you're thinking. Why can't you just give us a fucking normal makeup tutorial? I'm sorry. It's just not who I am anymore. But this is who I am. Buying a really expensive silicone face mask and pretending to be someone else. I mean, I kind of want to put it on and then just kind of make it look like myself, even though this mask does not look like me. But like, I want to apply the makeup I normally apply on my face. Like, I'm gonna create a second Naomi to put on top of Naomi. I know that also Nikita did that in a video. I didn't watch the video though, but I know that she did it too. So credit there, credit there. Credit everywhere. It's actually not that easy to get these face masks. I don't know what's going on, but I really can't talk today. Yeah, let's get into this. Let's do this. Oh, and you asked what hoodie this is? Don't worry about it.
I will tell you.
This is my new unprofessional chaos hoodie. I can only tell you guys, the new Queen of Chaos collection will be launching soon. And if you thought you would have to wait until December to get the first pieces, no, don't worry about it. We actually already have 2 full sets on the website.
Right now.
There will be so much more coming for this collection, but I already wanted to give you guys a little teaser and already something to like get your hands on. And it is this chaos set in black and in white. You can already see what the new collection is kind of gotta be about. I mean, it's called Queen of Chaos collection. So there will be so much more stuff coming for Unprofessional. Don't worry, we figured the shipping out. Corona is not a problem anymore. We can ship internationally again. And also the website is now available in German and English for all of you who had like issues just like checking out and paying and whatever on unprofessional.com. Enough added for today. Let's get into my silicone mask. I took it out once because I wanted to see if it's like good quality or if I got scammed. And all I can tell you, it is really good quality. It came in this very fancy, very luscious looking silky bag. Oh my god, I'm so happy my face arrived. It isn't just a mask, it's also for my neck. That's her. I feel like we should already give her a name. I feel like she should be named Angela in tribute to Angela Merkel. She's my girl. The only bad thing about her, sorry Angela, is she already came with some eye makeup, even though I actually would have to pay extra for eye makeup, but I didn't, so I don't even know why. But I think that's fixable. I think we can just apply some concealer and just cover it up, and then I can apply my own makeup. Also, her makeup skills are not like that good. Sorry, Angela. Oh girl, you're looking a little wonky today. Oh my god. She's already cursed. So this is her true face. Exposed. Exposed. She really sounds a bit,
wobbly.
It's so funny because she literally also has eyebrow hair. I don't know if you can see that, but like there's literally hair in there, which is really, really terrifying. Are we ready to put her on? Should I have washed her before that? How do you put this? I already wiped my eyebrows on her. I think I'm gonna put a wig cap on. I'm back with my wig cap on. I feel, ew, I can't see. I think I need to cut the ear holes a little bit bigger because they're very small. An experience. Sorry, Angela. You did not deserve this. This looks horrible now, this eye. I'm just gonna put makeup on top. Wow, there's so much eye area laying around here now. This looks like something Tucker would love to eat.
Jesus Christ, you look busted, Angela.
I mean, maybe it's fine now. Angela is back, everyone. Okay, I did cut the eyes now. I think Angela is a little bit too big for my face. And I hope you can understand me. Like, I didn't even think about that. I mean, there is a mouth hole right there. But I still feel like you shouldn't put this onto your face if you have claustrophobia. Yes, get into the unprofessional vibe, Angela. Yes! Alright, everyone, I think we should get started on our makeup tutorial. So first off, I shake my hair off. I usually just wax my face because I just love how it's completely hairless. And yeah, this is my no makeup face. I have no makeup on. I don't know, it just kind of feels like I'm in some kind of dream world right now. Like I can't hear myself properly. I can't even see anything properly. Oh goodness, looks like a tongue! Wow, her ears are not on top of my ears at all. That's why I hear so badly, because my ear is here. Anyway, we're gonna start what we're here for today. I just gotta do a quick foundation match. I don't think we need primer though, because her face is already flawless.
What's your name?
Angela.
Angela.
Yeah, in tribute for Angela Merkel.
Now you've got my kind of skin.
Stop!
Oh. I mean, you are kind of sexy.
Honestly, this bitch doesn't even need foundation. But we're gonna apply it anyway. Ooh, I think that's a really good match, actually.
Finally, a makeup tutorial.
Okay, let's just dab this on. Oh, I think it's a little bit too dark, but oh well. I think I'm having problems with the kind of powder that's on there. Oh, that's way too dark. What the fuck, man? Let's get a fresh start, everyone. Fresh start. Second try, everyone. Just gotta loosen my jaw a bit. Okay, let's try this again. And now I'm gonna mix a good foundation shade. Let me add a little bit of Fenty. Alright, second try. Let's get this foundation on. My eyeshadow just disappeared. Let's apply some concealer. We're gonna highlight a little bit underneath our eyes. And I think I learned not to apply, not to over tap. I think we're just gonna apply a little bit and then just tap like 5 times and then it's fine. This is going great so far. Okay, absolutely bad. Let me just try to apply one more spot of concealer. Yes, oh, that's going great. The concealer is actually going great. So we're just gonna apply some concealer. Why is there no product sticking to my eyeshadow? Okay. It's kind of bad that you can't see my expressions because like I'm in a really fun mood right now. I'm like such a jokester. I'm like full of emotions and love. Okay, it's time for some contour.
Try it with your finger now.
I think that was too much.
Oh.
I'm like soaking it up with my finger. I don't what the what? I don't think finger is a good idea. Yes!
Wow.
That sounds like someone is literally just punching my brain in.
Your profile kind of looks like Oscar.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Do I look like Oscar Artan? I tried to laugh like him. Let's put some contour on my forehead, just to make it look a bit smaller.
I mean, your entire head is your forehead, basically.
I think it's time to set this whole beauty using the Fenty Beauty setting powder. It smells really good, actually. Yes, now the whole look is coming together. I feel like I'm actually not able to reach in here. Like, the only thing that gets into my mask is powder right now, and I really need some oxygen here and there. Okay, cool! My base is done. I feel like I just need to look worse. Like, his skin was perfect before. But anyway, let's get into some eyeshadow, everyone. We are gonna use the Nikki Tutorials Beauty Babe palette. I'm gonna do like a super cute red smoky eye, which is definitely not what was on my eyes before. Yes, work it, red, work it. I love the red in the Nikki Tutorials palette. Oh, I forgot to do my eyebrows. Child, anyway, so I'm just gonna apply with my finger on my own eye. I just really have to get into my eye now. Okay, now I'm just gonna take another brush and still the black, and we're gonna try to blend my lid into Angela's lid. Because guess what? Naomi is still underneath, and she was here all along. I don't even know what I'm talking about. I feel like this mask kind of makes me drunk or something. Or high, maybe because I'm just breathing in illegal substances in this. I think eyeshadow really is the thing that works best on this mask. Do you think I will get a repost from Nikki if I tag her in this look?
100%.
Maybe I'll get a repost from Fenty for just beautiful skin. So that's it for the eyeshadow. I think I'm gonna do my eyebrows now because I forgot about them. Okay, let's just brush through our brows. And I have my Anastasia Dipro, which is like really dried out. Let's draw some sleeky ass brows on my right and center on my fucking right. That's so weird. I'm drawing in like arched brows. I haven't drawn an arched brow in like 2 years.
Well, maybe she...
Ah! I lost the eyebrow hair and it stuck to my brush. Oh, it's so sad if you draw in your brows and with every single brush stroke, 2 eyebrow hairs come out. Angela, I swear to God, just shave off your brows and your life will be easier, I can tell you. So I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pen now, and I'm gonna draw some brow strokes at the beginning to make it look a bit more real, I think. That's actually a great product for drawing onto silicone masks. Okay, Angela, eyebrows on sleek. I cannot see a lot of my viewfinder, but what I see is questionable. I don't know how I'm gonna do the eyeliner though. I'm gonna give her some foxy eyes.
Damn, that is a wing.
I know, bitch.
Angela means business.
Angela means silicone. I gotta focus on my wing now. I said I gotta focus on my wing, and I drew the most horrible wing of the 21st century. I just drew some eyeliner into my eye, but it's okay. It's okay, I couldn't see anyway. I think it is actually time for lashes, and for that I'm definitely gonna use my beautiful chocolate lashes by Melody Lashes X Naomijon. You can still get some on melodylashs.com. This is a quick ad. I have no shame because I'm not even myself right now, so why does it even matter? And I think these are the best lashes because these are really thick and luscious and just Angela-like. And I'm also using my putting on this lash glue. It's not the most boring thing in the world. Lash glue. I feel like I really don't have as much oxygen as I need. Hey Chills, do you like me? Vincent, this is the 3rd time in a row I'm eating Mexican food. Okay, now that my eye makeup is actually like basically done and on fucking fleek, let's just head over to some blush.
Yeah.
Powder works so well on her face. I should have just used powder foundation. Yes! Oh my god, I'm such a queen now.
But who's the actual queen?
Angela Merkel? Okay, I'm just gonna apply some bronzer now. We're gonna ignore all of this because I'm gonna put a wig on. Don't worry about it.
I was so worried.
It's time for highlighter. We're like almost at the end, guys. I can't believe it. I am so looking forward to my oxygen like you don't even know.
But like you can be happy, you can smell the farts that are in the air right now.
Taco.
Oh.
Is it really bad? That is the most amazing thing I've ever seen. Applying highlighter is great, I know, but applying highlighter on a fucking silicone face? Oh my god, this is so, oh my god. Oh. Let's get to the lips. I'm gonna do my go-to lip look. Yes, just get this liquid lipstick on. I mean, our lips look a little bit crusty, I gotta admit. Actually, very crusty. And one teeny tiny last step. I'm gonna apply a few freckles because you guys know I love my freckles. And as I love them, Angela loves them too. And that everyone concludes my look. I'm done, Vincent.
I can also give you a smaller one.
Oh my god, they look so good on her!
Queen of piercings.
Can you give me a wig now?
Welcome to Vincenzo's hair salon.
Angela, the beauty queen, coming in 3, 2, 1. Okay, I think we're good. And then I have a great idea. I want to FaceTime Vanessa. Maybe she thinks it's like really important because I never called her on FaceTime before.
Oh mein Gott, was ist mit dir passiert?
What do you mean? Ich habe einfach nur Make-up drauf gemacht, richtig viel.
Guck sie dir an. Bist du Jeffree Star? Hast du was am Kinn? Hast du eine ganze Maske drauf?
Ein iPhone-Filter.
Maskenmörder. What the fuck? Oh mein Gott.
Thanks for watching. It was great talking to you. Bye. Okay, everyone. I think we gotta say goodbye to Angela for now. I gotta say my lip really hurts from being in there. I mean, I kind of got used to it now. I feel like this is something you get used to. But also, I really need my oxygen and my Mexican food now. So, this is our Mexican food. Don't forget to follow me on my social media, which is Naomijon on
Instagram.
Naomijon on
Chat.
and the Naomijon on
Tweety. Did I say Snapchat?
Thank you guys so much for watching, and me and Angela, we will see you in our next video. Bye! Oh. Cut the camera. She looks kind of cute like this though. Gorgeous! Bitch, you look so sweet! What the fuck?